The new Quest has just been announced to the public, and it already looks way more advanced than their own Quest 2. In today's video, we will be comparing the new Meta Quest Pro with its predecessor, Meta Quest 2, and figuring out if it is actually worth upgrading. Before we start our comparison, let us go through the design changes on the new Meta Quest Pro first. When it comes to the design of a VR headset, comfort should always be the top priority, and it looks like Meta Quest Pro managed to meet that expectation seamlessly. The ergonomic shape of this VR headset looks as classy and premium as it can get. Meta Quest Pro comes with a 40% thinner optic lens compared to the Quest 2, which makes the vision quality even better. This time around, they removed the lens adjustment dial, but don't worry, you will be able to manually adjust the IPD to your comfort level with your finger. It's a flip-up wireless designed headset where the battery is now shifted to the strap on the back for better weight distribution. So even though it's a bit heavier than Quest 2, it doesn't feel like it at all. On the other side, Quest 2 design was more focused on gaming rather than productivity. If you compare this VR to the latest Meta Quest Pro, you will find plenty of differences. The front is fully covered with plastic chassis, while the Quest Pro comes with a full glass panel cover at the front. Also, the strap design on this headset requires more adjustment in this headset. There is no dial adjustment on this strap, and the battery is attached to the optics, so the front part feels a lot heavier than the Quest Pro. Lastly, it has 3 built-in presets for manual IPD adjustment. You can easily adjust it simply using your fingertips. So, design-wise, Quest Pro surely wins the race against the Quest 2, as it is Meta's new high-end VR headset. However, Quest 2 is also a pretty solid-looking VR as well. Even though it might not be as advanced as the Quest Pro, Quest 2 definitely looks better than most of the VR headsets on the market. As we jump into the specs, we see that Meta Quest Pro is more of a productivity and creative-driven device. Unlike the Quest 2, this one is a mixed reality VR headset, which means you can now maintain physical space and work in the virtual world seamlessly. It comes with a dual 1800 by 1920 resolution advanced LCD display with a 90Hz refresh rate, providing 37% greater pixels per inch. On top of that, it is equipped with thin optic pancake lenses, which are 40% slimmer compared to the Quest 2 optic lenses. Besides that, this VR also has a built-in Snapdragon XR2 Plus Gen 1 processor, 12GB of RAM, and 256GB of maximum storage capacity. It also includes 10 VR sensors and 3 cameras on each controller, which provides 360-degree motion in virtual space. Lastly, an additional charging dock is also added inside the box for both controllers and the Quest Pro itself. In comparison, Meta Quest 2 is purely made for entertainment, especially gaming. To deliver an immersive VR experience while gaming, it comes with a fast switch LCD display, which has an 1832 by 1920 pixel resolution per eye and a refresh rate of up to 90Hz. This VR also has a Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 processor and 6GB of RAM, including 256GB of internal storage. With a 6 degree of freedom movement and Quest 2 touch controller, it can track both your hands and body gestures simultaneously. So, judging from the internal specs, you can say both of them have their own specialized field. The new Quest Pro is designed for a creative virtual environment that makes your work easier and more engaging, while the Quest is mainly for entertainment and an immersive gaming experience. Although Quest 2 might not have some advanced features, it definitely belongs to some of the best VR categories on the market. The Quest Pro is Meta's flagship high-end VR headset till now, which comes at the cost of $1,499. Quest 2, however, comes with 2 separate price tags, and it's very affordable as well. The starting price, with 128GB internal storage, costs only $399, and the 256GB version costs $499. So now the question is it worth upgrading? Well, that is completely up to you. If you don't mind working on creative space by spending a little extra money, then Quest Pro is definitely made for you. And if you're someone who just wants to experience VR for gaming and entertainment, then Quest 2 will not disappoint you. So that was all about today's comparison between Meta Quest Pro versus Meta Quest 2. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.